In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell a PDF on Payhip. To get started, head over to your Payhip dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your store, products, and so it's the right place to begin if you want to upload and sell a digital file like a PDF. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the products section and click on it. This will take you to the area where all of your existing items are listed and where you can create something new to sell. If this is your first product, the page may look fairly empty, and that's completely fine. Next, click on Add New Product. This opens the product creation options and allows you to choose what kind of item you want to sell. Since a PDF is a downloadable file, you'll want to choose the option for digital product. This tells Payhip that your customer will be purchasing a digital download rather than a physical item or another product type. After that, click on Upload Product File and select your PDF from your computer. Make sure you're uploading the final version of the file you actually want customers to receive. It's a good idea to double check the document before uploading, just to make sure there are no formatting issues, missing pages, or outdated information. Since this file will be delivered automatically after purchase, accuracy matters. Once the PDF has been uploaded, go ahead and add the other details for your product. This is where you'll complete the product setup so buyers understand exactly what they're purchasing. Take your time here and make sure everything is clear and polished. A strong product listing can help build trust and reduce confusion for potential customers. Keep your wording simple, accurate, and focused on what the PDF offers. When everything looks good, click Add Product. This finalizes the setup and adds your PDF to your Payhip store so it can be available for sale. After that, you can review the product page and confirm that the file, product information, and overall presentation look the way you want. And that's it. That's how to sell a PDF on Payhip. As a quick tip, always preview your product after publishing so you can see the buyer experience for yourself. That way, you can catch anything that needs adjusting before sending people to the product page. Once everything is in place, your PDF is ready to be shared and sold.